$30,000 in cash. Do you want to just hold it?
What do you think, Katie? I don't know what to say. I wasn't expecting it to be that fast. Sounds better than a Hellcat.
There's your keys.
Can't believe it sounds that good. The neighbors are gonna be pissed.
All right, well today is the day. It's January 6th. We've been talking to Dino for quite some time, but it's time to give you your prize. I know you haven't decided on what your actual prize is gonna be. What are your choices again?
Truck or 30 grand.
Truck or 30 grand, so those are still your choices. So the only thing that remains is to go check out this truck. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
This is actually real, so this is sick.
You like that?
That's so cool.
A little Mexican blanket inlay. We're so close to the border here. That's like a classic Mexican blanket pattern.
I don't know what to say, so.
Yeah, it's very cool. So let me introduce you to some of the guys that built this thing. Regan.
Regan, nice to meet you.
Good to finally meet you in person.
Yeah, you guys have talked a bunch. And then Chris Esparza runs the garage over here, so he's been kind of overseeing your project.
Nice to meet you.
As well as some of the other stuff that's here in the garage. Regan, you want to walk him through his new truck?
Yeah, I mean, let's start with the engine bay.
Some good
kind
stuff.
of the most fun part. So this is your numbers matching rebuilt 440. We actually just got it running good and just test drove it for the first time yesterday. It's an absolute ripper. We don't know a power figure on it, but we're guessing it's somewhere in the mid 500s. We have it on the 35s with the really beefy axles. Obviously all fresh paint with the bed liner. We don't have a front drive shaft yet, but that's on the way, so you'll have your all-wheel drive soon enough. And then obviously your Pendleton blanket. It's really come together fast over these last 6 months. Obviously you saw the state it was in when we had our FaceTime call.
Yeah.
Turn it on.
Oh yeah, let's start it up.
Sounds better than a Hellcat.
It's plenty fast.
Yeah,
You'll see when we go on that test drive. It's a monster.
Thank you. Thank all you guys, everyone. Appreciate it.
All that remains is a little test drive, and then we'll see what your choice is between a pile of cash or this incredible 75 RAMCharger. You ready to go for a spin?
I'm ready.
It's pretty fast and loud.
That's insane.
It gets louder like as soon as you accelerate for sure.
Yeah.
Because you can kind of put it around.
Yeah, which is like I don't want to be like something obnoxious, like just
yeah.
So you've had a chance to ride in it, because also right here I got $30,000 in cash, or you got a brand new 75 RAMCharger. Do you want to just hold it while you're making a decision? Inspect it? Real money?
What do you think, Katie? I think we'll go with the truck.
Yeah. Boom! I'll take that back then. I love it. I mean, to me personally, you couldn't build this truck for 30. I don't think you can build it for 100. So I think taking the truck is definitely the right decision. We'll get it done as quick as we can, and we'll get it out to Florida to you.
Yeah. No, appreciate it. Again,
Yeah.
I can't say thank you enough to everyone. I saw from a guy commented on my latest YouTube video. I do like drawings and things like that. Someone's like, yo, contact RestoMods. If not, I want another chance. I'm like, what are you talking about? So I go to the video announcing the winner, said my name, like, no way, no way.
Did you believe it was true at first?
Well, yeah, because I watch you guys. Like, I know you guys aren't like full of, BS. You guys are established now. So many years you've been doing it, so.
Who was the first person you told after hearing you won, and what was their reaction?
Katie. We've played this out before. She's like, shut up. She hangs up the phone, calls back, are you for real? She looks up the video and yeah. I remember I saw you guys 2022 because I tore my ACL and I was just scrolling through Instagram on my girlfriend's account. And I saw the giveaway, I'm like, oh, I like Chargers. I remember you guys got it, black bumper, kind of looks like crappy. I like that you guys blacked out the grille and chrome, kept this chrome. It just looks good.
Now that you have chosen the truck as your grand prize package, do you have any plans with it when it gets to Florida?
I'm not gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna go on a road trip or something. No, I'm just gonna drive it around. It's probably get single-digit gas mileage, I assume, and a 3-speed, so I don't think I'll be taking it too far. I'll be going to the beach a lot in this. My dad's gonna take it more than me, probably. He's gonna steal it. Can't win if you don't play, that's it. Can't win if you don't play.
Let's go. Congrats, Dino.
I'm Dino K, Basic. I'm from Boca Raton, Florida. I just won this truck from RestoMods YouTube giveaway.